Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. Today on HISD Now, ways we're supporting families with expanded meals and food distributions. We're celebrating Sterling High School's top-rated marching band. We're also hearing from Milby students on how they're getting ready for their careers post-high school. Plus, the District Advisory Committee. There's a meeting tonight. Let's dive in. It is Tuesday, November 4th. And before we begin, remember you can skip to any story by using the chapters right below. Well, we know that many families are facing extra challenges right now, and HISD is stepping up with more events and resources to make sure every student has what they need both in and out of the classroom. A drive-through food distribution was held earlier today at the Youth Development Sunrise Center in Northeast Houston. It was a chance for families to get food and other important essentials. Our families were also able to get connected to other important resources that this center offers.
I like to help people, I like community for the kids. I like to talk to the parents, come in, I have an opportunity for having food for you. I having some different helpers here. I having class for the computers, I having class in English, and a student here. I don't know my English, makeup class, I having a log cough camping, es como autoestima. I like service to people. I love it.
And that's just one of the food distributions held weekly at each of our Sunrise Centers. Now remember, we have 8 throughout the Houston area that help all HISD families year-round. Each one has a food pantry in addition to the weekly distributions. Go to our website under Families and Students to find a center near you. You can also see all the other support services they offer, like medical care, mental health services, clothing, and much more. And while you're there, click on the Student Assistant form. It's a button. Fill it out and we'll connect you to the right support. Now, in addition to the food distributions at our Sunrise Centers, we're also partnering with the Houston Food Bank to host this neighborhood super site distribution. Now, this one is happening this weekend on Saturday right here at Hattie May from 8 a.m. until noon, but you need to pre-register for it through the Houston Food Bank's website. To do that, scan that QR code right there or go to the houstonfoodbank.org website. And as we continue supporting families across HISD, we want to remind everyone that we've expanded meal service to make sure students are covered at the start and end of each school day. Now, all campuses are ensuring that every student can grab breakfast, and if they need a little extra time, they can take it to class. Plus, our after-school supper program is now growing, now reaching nearly 100 additional campuses. We want our families to know that HISD is here to help every step of the way. In other news and happening tonight, HISD's District Advisory Committee, or DAC, is holding its November meeting. Now, it's the 3rd meeting of the school year for this group of parents, teachers, staff, and community members. The DAC helped to guide the district's educational goals by providing important feedback to the superintendent and the board. We'll have more from tonight's meeting in tomorrow's HISD headlines. And if you want to learn more about what the DAC does for the district, check out this video right here on our YouTube channel called Now You Know What is the District Advisory Committee. You can find it in the Now You Know playlist. And a big congrats to the Sterling High School marching band. They've been featured in the Houston Chronicle for building one of HISD's standout marching band programs. With a top rating 1 at the Varsity Region Contest and a first ever qualifying spot at the UIL area competition, the Wall of Sound is proving what hard work, culture, and leadership can deliver. Big thanks to the Houston Chronicle for featuring and highlighting our students. You can see that article on their website. We also link to it on our social media pages. Well, we're spotlighting Milby High School this week for our campus close-up. When I first spoke to Principal Ruth Peña, she told me how her school prides itself with traditions and a very, very strong sense of community. In fact, a very large percentage of her staff are Milby alum, including herself. Now, in a new story that we just uploaded to the channel, I talked to 2 teachers at Milby. Both graduated from here. One even came out of retirement to come back and work for Principal Peña. It's a story you'll definitely want to see. Be sure to check it out on our social media pages. It's also uploaded to Facebook and to Instagram. And tomorrow you're going to hear from students at Milby. Now, this school is offering them a variety of career pathways, and these students say they're confident and ready for what's next. Stay tuned for that story tomorrow. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and sharing these stories, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.